friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to be talking today about these two boosters. The 10 back when you spend 50, which is activated today, the one on the top. The one on the bottom is a week-long booster, 7 back when you spend 35, and they are in fact stacking. So if you get a $50 basket, you're getting $17 back. Pairing it with deals, I mean, there's opportunity to get some stuff very, very cheap. So this is going to be a great little video, and I'm keeping it brief this morning. And then for those of you that are here looking for the Walgreens preview, it'll be up on Saturday the 27th for the following week. Okay, so we are doing this as a curbside because the stipulation of the booster is to spend $50 on the Walgreens app. So you're going to hit the box on the left-hand side with the red check, order this stuff, cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, whatever you have, drive to the store and pick up your merchandise. So you're putting an electronic online order, pretty easy. Before I hop into all the deals, I just wanted to point something out. We were getting this for like $3 and some change earlier in the week. I did see in the Walgreens app this morning, it's back up to $5. So I don't know if that was an error on their part or what, but almost impossible to track these down, but they're back up to $5. First deal that we have, okay, you're going to need your two best friends loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 50 and the 7 back when you spend 35, and you're doing this one again as a curbside pickup. Very important to stress that for the millionth time. Okay, so for this basket, we're just going to grab a hodgepodge of items that include this L'Oreal Paris toner for $7.99. Now, for a lot of these deals, the coupons are expiring today, so you have to do it on Friday the 26th. So we have an $8 off a L'Oreal Paris skincare product, and the toner is in fact attaching. And if you look, it's expiring today, so if you loaded it and didn't use it, perfect coupon to use. We're also going to grab 3 larger Gold Bond products for $37.47 and then a smaller one for $5.79. The promotion with Gold Bond is to spend 20, get back 10, so we're going to get back 20 bucks for buying 40. We have this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. Check your ShopMeum account. There might be another $2 rebate, but you're going to need a receipt for that one, but maybe it's an extra $2 back. And we also have one of these M&M Valentines for $3.49, so add that to your basket. Okay, so I actually had a couple Gold Bond coupons. I had one for $1.50 and then one for $2, so that's $3.50 coming off, $7.99 for L'Oreal Paris, and then use the code NEW10 for $3.98 off. So that's a little bit coming off for you. And so just to show you the overall basket, it was $54.74. And with the Walgreens coupons or the promotions, $3.98 coming off, but we're still at that $50 mark. I double, triple check that. Curbside pickup is free, tax $11.49 melting off. With your debit card, pay $42.11. I know that's a lot. And then you're getting back $37.54. IBOTTA has rebates for the larger lotions and a smaller one. So after you get your receipt, pending what coupons you have, because I know IBOTTA has strict stipulations with the use of coupons with their rebate app, apply and see what they have. Every app is a little bit different, but you might get an extra couple of dollars back with the IBOTTA app and Gold Bond. Okay, so deal number 2, you need your two best friends loaded, 10 back when you spend 50 and the 7 back when you spend 35. Just to note, these are of a one-time use, so if you use them earlier in the week, one and done for the bottom one. For this one, we're going to be grabbing one of these very expensive Olay Super Serums, $46.99 down to $34.99, and we have this $8 coupon. If you look top left-hand corner, it expires today, so you got to really do this deal or not today. And then we're going to grab a toner by L'Oreal for $7.99 and a Tide Pod for $12.99. Load the following coupons, the 8 for the L'Oreal Paris, and the last one that we're going to load is a $3 off for the Tide Pod, so not a bad little coupon, this $3 digital, and it's expiring in a couple days too, so it's definitely a use it or lose it. Now, just to show you guys all the digital coupons coming off, and we have $2.70 coming off with new 10, that little promotion code. The overall basket is $55.97. New 10 is $2.70 off. Free curbside pickup, $18.99 in digital coupons coming off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $37.48 and get back $17.55. So there is no extra with this. It's just meat and potatoes items that you're picking up. But that Olay Super Serum, that's almost like $50. I mean, it's some pretty tremendous value if you like that as part of your skincare routine. I've been using mine for a couple of months, and this is a deal I'm tempted to do because I like the Olay Super Serum. It's a great product. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 3. You need your 2 best friends loaded again, which is the 10 back when you spend 50 and the 7 back when you spend 35. So for this deal, we are going to be grabbing 8 of the Walgreens brand paper towels for $3.99. So for whatever reason, you can add as much paper as you want now. That wasn't always the case after Rona. So it's shocking that you can put this many. So I threw in 8. If you are going to do this deal, go today to pick up your order. I don't think it's really fair to take up like half of the photo department with your paper towel order, because 8 is going to take up probably 2 baskets. So yeah, I would go today if you're going to grab 8 of them. Now we're going to grab some shaving care by Schick, including the men's razor for $9.99. The promotion for that is to spend 20, get back 5, and also a lady Skintimate, and then the Schick Intuition. Load the following digitals that include the $4 for the ladies razor and the $1 for the Edge or Skintimate, you pick. And then for that men's razor, we have a $4 digital. For so many of you that didn't have that Bulldog coupon, you can use this one alternatively. And just to show you how everything shaked out, I used the code NEW10 and got 85 cents off plus WAG 50. It took off 50 cents per Walgreens branded paper towel. So that was like $4 in savings right there. And then all of the savings for the razors and such. So looking at the overall basket, it was $55.39, $4.85 coming off for all those goofy codes, free curbside pickup, $3.03 in tax, and $9 coming off. You'll pay $44.57 and get back $23.79. I know it's a lot, but if you are trying to get like 8 things of paper towel and some shaving needs product, it's a really nice way to stack both of the boosters. And you're getting your 17 back and then plus an additional 5 back when you spend 20 on those Schick shaving needs. So not the worst deal. For a lot of these digital coupons, they're expiring as Sunday rolls around. It's a new month over at Walgreens, so you have to really hustle on these deals today. And if you don't like what I presented, I think on Monday I did a curbside video showing like things to buy, blah, blah, blah. You might want to check out the video for Monday. I'll link it right here in case you want to Frankenstein a $50 basket. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.